Welcome to our video on the essential features for a successful laundromat website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business, and laundromats are no exception. By incorporating these features into your website, you'll attract more customers, enhance their experience, and ultimately drive more business to your laundromat. Offering an online booking and reservation system will streamline the process for your customers. Implementing a user-friendly interface that allows them to book machines, schedule pickups, and arrange deliveries is essential. This convenient feature will save customers time and enhance their overall satisfaction with your laundromat. Turns laundromat management software is highly efficient for managing all your laundromat tasks easily. Next, pricing and service details. Website clearly display your pricing structure, including rates for different machine sizes and any additional services you offer. Be explicit about any special promotions or discounts available, ensuring customers have a complete understanding of your offerings. Next, integrate popular payment gateways, such as credit cards, digital wallets, or mobile payment apps, into your website. Offering various online payment options will make the laundry experience more convenient for your customers. Next one is visible contact information. Include your phone number, email address, and physical address in a visible location of your laundromat on every page of your website. This accessibility will enable customers to reach out with any questions or concerns they may have. Next, customer testimonials and reviews. Displaying customer testimonials and reviews adds credibility to your laundromat. Allow satisfied customers to share their positive experiences on your website. You can also integrate popular review platforms like Google My Business or Yelp to showcase authentic feedback. Positive reviews will build trust and encourage new customers to choose your laundromat. Next, by integrating social media into your website, you can increase your laundromat's brand visibility. Connect your website with popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This allows you to showcase your services, promotions, and customer testimonials to a wider audience, ultimately attracting more potential customers to your laundromat. Next one, FAQ section. An FAQ section can help answer common queries about your services, pricing, operating hours, and more. This can improve the customer experience by giving them instant access to answers and reduce the workload on your staff by minimizing repetitive queries. By incorporating these key elements into your website, you can create a successful laundromat business that attracts customers, enhances their experience, and sets you apart from the competition. Remember, investing in your online presence is an investment in the long-term growth and success of your laundromat business. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and visit Turn's website for expert advice.